Hello, fellow wildlife enthusiasts and adventurers. Welcome back to my channel, your gateway to the wonders of the animal kingdom. Today, we're embarking on a special journey to explore the lives of some of the most intriguing solitary animals on our planet, from the slow-moving red-footed tortoises to the industrious honeybees and the majestic blue whales. In addition, we will also be talking about the elusive sandcats. Of course, we will have Animal of the Week at the end of the video. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get ready for an adventure like no other. Let the journey begin. Solitary animals learn from others. Solitary animals, by their nature, tend to have limited interaction with others of their species, especially outside of mating or territory disputes. This typically means that they do not have the same opportunities to learn from others as social animals do. However, this doesn't mean they are completely isolated in terms of learning. Here are a few ways solitary animals can still learn from others. Observational learning. Even solitary animals may observe others at some point, especially juveniles observing their parents. For example, a young predatory animal might learn hunting techniques by watching its mother. Indirect learning. They might also learn indirectly from the consequences of other animals' actions. For example, if an animal notices that another has been caught in a trap or injured in a specific area, it might avoid that area or similar situations. Genetic or instinctual learning. Much of what solitary animals learn is actually instinctual behavior passed down genetically. For instance, many solitary species innately know how to hunt or build shelters without being taught. Environmental cues. Solitary animals often learn from their environment rather than from other animals. They might adapt their behavior based on changes in the environment, availability of food sources, or presence of predators. The concept of solitary animals learning from others, particularly regarding species like red-footed tortoises and honeybees, presents an interesting blend of solitary and social learning behaviors. Here's how this might apply to these species. Red-footed tortoises. Red-footed tortoises are primarily solitary creatures, but research has shown that they can learn by observing others. For instance, a study found that red-footed tortoises can learn to navigate mazes more efficiently after watching another tortoise do it. This indicates a capacity for social learning, even in a species that typically doesn't engage in much social interaction. Honeybees. Honeybees are a prime example of social insects, and their learning behaviors are predominantly social. They communicate through a waggle dance to convey information about the location of food sources. This is a direct form of learning from others within a highly social context. Even though honeybees are social, their learning mechanisms can provide insights into how solitary animals might pick up behaviors from occasional interactions. Limited social interaction. Some solitary animals have periods where they are more social, such as during mating seasons. During these times, there might be some exchange of information or learning, though it's not the primary purpose of their interaction. In essence, while solitary animals don't engage in the same kind of social learning as group living species, they still have various ways of acquiring knowledge and skills necessary for survival. It's important to note that the line between solitary and social behavior is not always clear-cut. Some animals traditionally considered solitary may exhibit social behaviors under certain circumstances, and vice versa. The capacity for learning, whether solitary or social, is an adaptive trait that can vary significantly across different species and environments. Here is a fun fact about red-footed tortoises. Did you know? Adult red-footed tortoises can grow up to 16 inches long and weight up to 30 pounds. Another fun fact about animal that go solo. Did you know? Lions are the only cats that live in groups. Others, such as snow leopards, independently patrol hundreds of square miles of territory. Turtles start their long lives by hatching and swimming alone. Blue whales usually prefer to swim solo, but if they need to communicate, their calls can be heard 1,000 miles away. Rare sandcats lifestyle revealed. Sandcats, known for their elusive nature, are small wild cats inhabiting deserts. Despite being solitary and rarely seen, recent studies and observations have revealed fascinating aspects of their lifestyle. Habitat. Sandcats predominantly live in desert environments such as the Sahara, Arabian Desert, and deserts in Iran and Pakistan. Their fur color blends perfectly with the desert landscape, providing excellent camouflage. Nocturnal and crepuscular activity. Sandcats are primarily nocturnal and crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the night and twilight hours. This behavior helps them avoid the extreme heat of the desert day. Solitary behavior. They are solitary animals, coming together only for mating purposes. Each sandcat maintains its own territory, which they mark using scent markings. Diet and hunting. Their diet mainly consists of rodents, birds, reptiles, and insects. Sandcats are skilled hunters, able to detect prey underground or in the dark using their acute sense of hearing. They are known to cover large distances when hunting. Adaptations to desert life. Sandcats have several adaptations to desert life. Their thick fur insulates them against the temperature extremes of the desert environment. They have large, wide ears for enhanced hearing and to dissipate heat. Their paws are covered with fur, protecting them from the hot sand and aiding in moving across loose sand surfaces. Reproduction and lifespan. The breeding season for sandcats varies depending on their geographical location. They typically have litters of 2 to 5 kittens. In the wild, sandcats can live up to 13 years, though this can be longer in captivity. Conservation status. Sandcats are listed as least concern by the IUCN Red List, but their population is considered to be decreasing due to habitat destruction and other human-induced factors. Challenges in research. Studying sandcats in the wild is challenging due to their secretive nature and harsh habitat. Therefore, much of what is known about them comes from observations in captivity or limited field studies. The sandcat's lifestyle is a testament to the remarkable adaptations of wildlife to some of the planet's most extreme environments. Their secretive nature and the difficulty of studying them in the wild mean that many aspects of their behavior and ecology remain mysterious. A fun and fascinating fact about sandcats is that they are one of the few wild cats that do not need to drink water directly. They are superbly adapted to their desert habitat and can survive on the moisture obtained from their prey. This adaptation is crucial for survival in their arid environments, where water sources are scarce or non-existent. Sandcats primarily feed on small rodents, birds, and reptiles, which provide them with the necessary hydration alongside their nutritional needs. This remarkable trait allows them to thrive in some of the most inhospitable desert regions of the world. Finally, it is time for our animal of the week. The animal for this week is zebra finch. The zebra finch is a small, vibrant bird known for its strikingly patterned plumage and cheerful song. It is a popular species among bird enthusiasts and researchers, particularly in the study of bird song and behavior. Lifespan in the wild. Zebra finches typically live around 3 to 5 years in the wild, although this can vary based on environmental factors and predation risks. Habitat. They are native to the arid and semi-arid regions of Australia, where they are often found in grasslands and forests, particularly near water sources. Size. Zebra finches are relatively small birds, measuring about 10 centimeters, 4 inches in length, and weighing around 10-15 grams. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of grass seeds. They also consume a variety of other seeds, as well as insects and fruits, depending on availability. Fun fact, zebra finches are highly social birds and are known for their elaborate songs, which are used for communication and mating. Interestingly, Male zebra finches learn their songs from their fathers, a behavior that has been extensively studied to understand learning and brain development in birds. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of solitary animals and sandcats. We hope you enjoyed exploring the incredible intelligence and unique behaviors of these amazing creatures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content where we dive deep into the wonders of wildlife. Until next time, keep marveling at the natural world around us. Bye for now.